Best free email service providers. Free email accounts might seem to be a dime a dozen, however some free companies stand approach above the remaining. This text guides you through the very best free email accounts and the options that make them nice. By no means reveal private info in your email deal with, reminiscent of your own home deal with or cell phone quantity. It's normal for addresses to be a reputation with a few numbers, or a phrase which means one thing. See these secure email services for those who are involved about privateness. What we like consists of non-public messaging options. Glorious spam safety. Consists of 15 GB of house for emails and different records data. Integrates carefully with different Google companies. What we do not like. Coping with folders/labels will be complicated. It is in all probability not a shock that Gmail tops this listing of the very best free email accounts. Google's free email service has a contemporary really feel, is tightly built in with the corporate's different companies, and does a very good job of blocking spam. It has some other nifty features, too, reminiscent of the choice to snooze emails for later, schedule emails to be dispatched later, and skim mail offline. You may also send emails that expire and require a singular code to open, retailer messages in a 15 GB vault, share records data out of your Drive account, undo sending messages, and set up vacation responses. Now that Google Workspace is available to everyone, Gmail is extra tightly built in with Google's different merchandise. Workspace allows you to collaborate with folks on tasks or maintain digital conferences. It really works with Meet's picture-in-picture characteristic, so you may see and listen to folks you are working with whereas composing a message or studying an email. You can apply different themes to Gmail's interface to customize the way it seems, enter tons of superior settings, create filters and labels, import email from different email accounts, and use a chat consumer. You may also set up devices, add-ons, to increase Gmail's performance. All addresses finish in at gmail.com. Outlook.com. What we like. Clear interface that is straightforward to make use of. Works carefully with different Microsoft companies. Organizes mail routinely. A number of account aliases cover your precise email deal with. What we do not like. Typically takes some time to load. Microsoft Outlook is Microsoft's free email service that, like Gmail, has a strong interface that is straightforward to navigate. It is simply second to Google's service and even tied as the very best free email supplier. The website is intuitive, it is as straightforward as right-clicking an email to seek out additional choices that embody shifting and deleting messages and trying to find each email from that one sender. Outlook supports mail rules, which implies you may set new messages to maneuver to a specified folder routinely, be categorized, flagged, or forwarded if sure circumstances are met. You may also join onto Skype by means of your email and use add-ons reminiscent of PayPal and DocuSign. Your email deal with can finish with at Outlook.com or at Hotmail.com. Yahoo Mail. What we like. Tons of email space for storing. Helps you to make lots of free disposable email addresses. Features a built-in gift database. Utilizing Yahoo Calendar from the email space is straightforward. What we do not like. Just one choice for the email area. Not as many filters/guidelines as different email suppliers. Yahoo Mail is notable as a result of every new person will get 1 TB of free storage for email. The compose window is just like Gmail, however one useful distinction, it is easy to modify between inline picture attachments and common file attachments. Yahoo Mail might be the very best email service in terms of alternate identities or aliases. You may create disposable addresses linked to your inbox without revealing your precise deal with. This characteristic is useful while you join accounts and don't need your common inbox spammed or full of ineffective email, Delete the disposable deal with if the spam turns into too overwhelming. You may also insert GIFs from a built-in GIF assortment, use themes that change the background and color scheme of the website, and import contacts from a file in your laptop and different accounts like FB or Outlook. You may also use a built-in notepad, connect records data from Google Drive or Dropbox, enter the web calendar app, and join exterior accounts, so you should utilize one interface to handle email. Yahoo Mail email addresses are arranged as instance at yahoo.com. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe. Don't forget to share.